Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Get ready for today's episode of Travel Hacker's Guide, where we'll share 5 incredible tips to make your vacation stress-free and enjoyable. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1. Pack light, pack right. Avoid the stress of hauling heavy suitcases by packing smartly. Make a list of essentials, roll your clothes to save space, and choose versatile outfits. Remember, less is more. Traveling light allows you to move freely and eliminates the headache of excess baggage. Host. Hack number 2. Plan ahead and be flexible. Prepare a rough itinerary in advance, but be open to spontaneity. Research popular attractions, local customs, and transportation options to streamline your trip. However, don't be afraid to go off the beaten path and explore unexpected gems. Strike a balance between planning and embracing the unknown for a stress-free adventure. Hack number 3. Digital documentation magic. Say goodbye to piles of paper. Digitize your travel documents, including passports, itineraries, and reservations. Store them securely on your phone or in the cloud for easy access. With digital copies, you can travel light and have peace of mind knowing your important information is just a tap away. Hack number 5. Embrace the power of relaxation. Traveling can be overwhelming, so it's crucial to find moments of relaxation. Take breaks, find serene spots, and embrace slow travel. Practice deep breathing, indulge in a good book, or simply soak in the beauty of your surroundings. By prioritizing relaxation, you'll create lasting memories and return home feeling refreshed. And there you have it. 5 simple and fun travel hacks for a stress-free vacation. Remember, the key is to plan ahead, stay flexible, and find joy in the journey. With these hacks, you'll create unforgettable travel experiences that leave you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more exciting travel tips and tricks in our next episode of Travel Hacker's Guide.